I'm a bad little bitch and I'm snipped like a Barbie. Hips, lips, ass in a car.
Welcome back with another video, and today I'll be doing a wig review. If you're new to my channel, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification so you never miss a single video. This wig was from the TikTok shop. The frontal is full, so it's a 13x6 cornrow braided wig. The price right now is $71.69, but I got mine on sale for $40. And you can pay this buy now, pay later thing.
Break my back, break my back, break my back, break my back, break my back.
That's a right. My back. That's a right.
My back.
That's a right. My back.
That's a right. Break my back.
That's a right, baby.
Break my back.
That's a right.
Break my back.
That's a right.
Break my back.
That's a right.
Break my back.
That's a right, baby.
Break my back.
That's a right.
Break my back.
That's a right.
Break my back.
That's a right.
Break my back.
That's a right, baby.
Break my back.
That's a right.
Break my back.
That's a right.
Break my back.
You got it, girl. You got it. You got it, girl. You got it.
Little baby in a bag in a Birkin, yeah. No 9 to 5, put your work in, yeah. Cause and all I love them all to me a birthday. Baby girl, you got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. You got it, girl. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. For real, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you
got it, girl. You got it. You got it, girl. You got it.
you the only one I'm tryna make love to. Picking and choosing. They ain't really love you. Running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real shit's stepping in. Don't let them try you. Test your patience. Tell them that it's over, ain't no debating. All you need is me playing on your playlist. You ain't gotta be frustrated. I don't wanna play no games, play no games. For real, give you my last name. Know you tired of the same damn thing. That's okay, cause baby, you
Got it, girl. You got it. You got it, girl. You got it.
Jealous, the city is my palace. Please no, dick. This is the vibe, I'm that guy. You won't waste no, waste no, waste no time. Waste no, you won't waste no, no, waste no, waste no, you won't waste no, waste no, waste no time. Waste no, you won't waste no, waste no, waste no. Nah, she gotta go. She came with her, she came with her. Nah, she gotta go, go. Nah, she gotta go. She came with her, she came with her. Nah, she gotta go. She came with her neither. But she gon' slide right to my side, I know. She pulled up with her friends, then we skirt off in the Benz. Oh, took her back to my crib, and I regret it. Took her back. Took her back. But she gon' slide. Took her back. Took her back. Took her back. Arching your back. Arching your back. Arching your back. Arching your back.
Arching your back. Arching your back.
Took her back.
Arching your back.
Yeah, girl, I know you want her. She's a spice, ride pipe like bike, like Yokohama. She heard the thing bend like banana, so she wanna give me the adunanani. Oh, yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man, but she say that she don't need a man. I say why don't we make an agreement, then we can just just while we're being friends. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Girl, I know you wanna. You know I wanna. Body's too fly, though. That's all I know. She don't sing songs, but if I go strong, she gon' hit this high note. She knows she working with the nana. She wanna give me the adu nana. Yeah. She say I'm a sweeter man. She say that she don't need a man. What if we make an agreement then we can't just while we're being friends? Girl, I know you want it. I know you want it. Girl, I know you want it. I know you want to, girl. Ride the fire like a bike, oh. Do the things you know I like, oh. I'm the man in my hands, oh. You're the one that's not pretend, cause I'm too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I too change, I'm too sprung. Yeah. I too good, drink too strong. Yeah, I too change, I'm so gone. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you wanna. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you wanna. I know you want to, girl. Girl, I know you wanna. Yeah. She keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. Oh, she keep giving me look. I need you right here beside me. If you oblige me, I hang it up and I never come out of retirement. You should just sleep on it, you shouldn't doubt me. It would be different without me. What is it without me? Don't go do nothing without me. This is a blessing, mashallah, wallahi. I swear my life story's better than stories they telling about me. They got it twisted. Ride the pipe like a bike, make sure you're going the distance. And if he wasn't with it, then why were you with him? Maybe you just had to realize that knowing the difference can make all the difference. Oh. She wanna run me out of the
$40 braided wig in style. Love the style of it, very neat, looks natural. The ends are twisted. Did not know that until I looked at it. It definitely fit my head, so glad it does. It does it snug, it's big head friendly.
Trying to make this make sense. Save me. Let's just make it. Oh, let me take it. Just say it, lay it and shake it. Let's just make it. Yeah. Silent to me, it's true fast. You know I be that right slow. Let me like bro, baby. Love music.
I'm a bad little bitch and I'm snipped like a Barbie. Hips, lips, ass in a